Hi, in these videos, I'm going to show you how to generate a new mobile brochure by using the new Linkuvie system. And once you log into the new Linkuvie systems, it will show up this home page. To create a new mobile brochure, all you have to do is just simply click New Advertisement. Okay, we are now in the new advertisement page. Please note that this page separates into two different sections. The section on the left and the sections on the right. Let's talk about the first sections on the left, and then we will come back and talk about the sections on the right shortly. Basically, the left-hand sections is about creating mobile brochure manually. Let's get started. First of all, we need to enter an ad name. An ad name generally is the address of the property. In this case, the property is 16 Henry Street, Oakley. So obviously, the address is 16 Henry Street, Oakley. Let's copy this address. And we come back to the ad name, paste it in, and change that to capital letter. Secondly, we're going to choose this is an MMS, not SMS. If you're going to choose to SMS, then you just simply toggle to SMS. But in this case, we are creating a mobile brochure, which is an MMS. With the ad title, generally same as the ad name. So we just simply copy and paste it here, and then drag some photos and put it into this box. So I have downloaded the picture. So all I have to do is simply put this picture onto the box. Just simply drag and drop. Oops. Okay, I'll put all 5 pictures in here. And after that, I can put in the text, which I will come back that later. Then I just simply go to next. Okay, we got some pictures uploaded. The next step we're going to do is to apply templates onto the picture. In this case, we want to apply templates onto the first picture. So we click the first picture. Then we go to apply template. In here, you can see there are different types of templates available for us to apply. And you're probably wondering why there are some 2, 3, 2, 3, like for example, price reductions. Here we got 2 and then price reduction 3. Now 2 means there's only bedrooms icon and the bathroom icons, where the 3, it's got bedrooms, bathroom, and also the car icons, which right here we usually have bedrooms, bathrooms, and parking. So 2s mean there's only 2 of them missing the parking, where 3, that means there are all 3 in that template. So in this case, we need 3 icons for this property. So let's go back to Linkuvie, and then we choose, let's say this is a just listed, so we choose just listed 3, and then we need to check it out, the number of bed, bath, and car, so that will be 4, 2, 2. So we're coming back here, 4, 2, 2, and there's no study. And then we just simply click preview. We can preview it just to make sure that it is correct. So just listed this property 422, and everything is correct. So we go to apply. There you go. So you can see now the template has been applied to the first picture. Now we need to come back and edit the text, which is the copywriting. So for the text, let's go back to the original website, which is to check it out, the inspection time and also the auctions, if it is the auctions, where in this case it is not an auction, it is just a private sale. So we just need to check it out, the inspection time, which is where's the inspection time? Oh, there's no inspection time scheduled at this stage. So let's say if this is not an inspection time, then you don't have to put in. But let's say this is an inspection. There is an inspection. So what you need to do is you just manually type it in. Say inspect this Saturday. Say 11 to 11:30 a.m. or by appointments. Now I would suggest you that it is better that you have a dual monitor set up for this case, because otherwise you need to keep coming back here, check it out, and then coming back to the LinkQB system, which is quite tedious sometimes. So what I need to do is I would suggest that we have a dual monitor set up. So in this case, let's say we need to get the title, which is this is the heading for the title. So we'll put it in here, and we usually will make it to capital letter. Hearts of Oakley. And let's say the agency is providing you a short copywriting. So basically here is my copywriting. So I just simply copy and paste onto this. So there you go, it's all done. But if the agents didn't provide us any short copywriting, then we have to summarize it ourselves. So, and you can refer to the previous video on how to summarize the copywriting. So once we get that done, we just simply go to update, and it is now done. As you can see, you can just put your mouse cursor on top of the text, and you can just simply read through it just to make sure that it is all correct. And also same as the picture here. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is to choose an agent. Now let's double check which agent this property belongs to. So it is Chris. So let's go back to LinkQB again. We choose Chris. So you can see here there are already 5 templates already set up for Chris. You got map, opt-out, sold prior, and thanks for inspecting. Now you're probably wondering there are 5 different templates for each agent. Now I will explain that to you later, but let's now concentrate on the top 2, which is map and also the opt-out. Now the first one we will choose here is to put the map. I'll come back to you to explain that why we choose map. And then the second one we want to do is opt-out. So then we just go update. As you can see here now, we got 2 Chris's coming up picture. One is, remember, this is map, and this is the opt-out. The opt-out, obviously, it has the opt-out information right here. As well for the map, it's got Chris's contact info, like the mobile number, the email address as well. Now, the reason that we put map, it's because we're going to replace this picture with the map. And to do that, you just simply click on Chris picture and then upload the map. Now, you probably noticed that I have already created a map. If you're wondering how to create a map, please refer to our another video on how to create a map. So in this case, I just simply double click and upload the map that I already done it, and click update, and there you go, it's all done. Now generally we only need about 4 pictures, 1, 2, 3, 4, but in this case we have 5. So if you want to delete one of the picture, all you have to do is simply just click on the crosses here and then confirm you want to delete, and there you go, you can see it's now gone. Let's say you would like to add another picture. All you have to do is simply just click on upload the new photos, or just simply drag the picture onto the box like that, and it will be done. So in this case, I just simply delete this because I don't need that. So we have 4 pictures, and then a map, and then the agent's profile. Another thing is, let's say you would like to change this put this picture underneath the kitchen. So all you have to do is simply just click that, and you can see it's going down, and then maybe you can further down by clicking that. So, and this is to go up. So very simple. Once you are happy with your work, always remember to double check all your work before you finish it. So just to go through each picture. So, you know, this is just listed. Okay, and then you have the inspection time. Just double check the inspection time are correct, and also the copywriting text, and the pictures are all okay. The map, and then the agent's profile, And once you are finished, it's all done.